Welcome to Techtopia X, where we genuinely test, review, and break down products to help you spend smarter, not harder. The product link is in description. Today we're taking a look at the DXZtoz 3.9mm Articulating Borescope, a professional industrial inspection camera designed to help users see inside places that would normally require taking equipment apart. Whether you're inspecting automotive engines, plumbing, HVAC systems, machinery, or electrical installations, this tool is built to provide a close-up view of hard-to-reach areas. So, is this inspection camera worth considering? And what do its features actually mean in real-world use? Let's break it down. One of the standout features is the incredibly slim 3.9mm camera probe. That small diameter allows it to fit into narrow openings where larger inspection cameras simply won't fit. This can be especially useful when checking spark plug holes, small pipes, engine components, or compact mechanical assemblies without major disassembly. Another major advantage is the articulating camera tip. Instead of only looking straight ahead, the camera can be steered while inside the inspection area, allowing you to look around corners or inspect the sides of components. This level of control makes it much easier to examine hidden surfaces that would otherwise remain out of sight. The camera captures full HD 1080p video and displays the image on a built-in 4.3-inch IPS screen. A dedicated display means there's no need to connect to a smartphone or install additional apps before getting started. The IPS panel also offers wider viewing angles and good visibility while working in different lighting conditions. Since many inspection areas are completely dark, the integrated LED lights around the camera help illuminate the workspace. Adjustable brightness allows users to reduce glare when inspecting reflective metal surfaces while still providing enough light for darker cavities. The flexible fiber optic cable is designed to navigate bends and tight pathways while remaining durable enough for regular industrial and maintenance work. The articulating control wheel gives users precise movement of the camera head, making it easier to inspect complex internal structures instead of relying on guesswork. The probe is built with industrial-grade materials, including stainless steel construction and a reinforced braided cable designed for demanding inspection environments. The camera probe is also waterproof, making it suitable for inspecting damp pipes, drains, cooling systems, and other wet environments when used appropriately. Where can a tool like this actually be useful? Automotive technicians can inspect cylinders, valves, and engine compartments. HVAC professionals can examine ducts and ventilation systems. Electricians can check conduit pathways. Homeowners may use it for plumbing inspections, appliance maintenance, or locating hidden issues without opening walls unnecessarily. One reason articulating borescopes have become increasingly popular is the amount of time they can save during diagnostics. Instead of disassembling large sections of equipment just to investigate a possible issue, an inspection camera often provides a visual confirmation first, helping determine whether further repairs are actually necessary. Overall, the DXZtoz 3.9mm Articulating Borescope combines a very slim inspection probe, full HD imaging, an integrated display, adjustable LED lighting, and an articulating camera head into a portable inspection tool designed for professional maintenance and detailed visual inspections. For anyone who regularly needs to examine confined spaces, these features work together to improve visibility and reduce guesswork during inspections. Thanks for watching Techtopia X. The product link is in description. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.